Hi everyone, Chris Hale here from Profit Squirrel. How are you all doing? I hope you're all doing really well. So, in today's video, Cheltenham 2019. I think it's probably not an understatement to say that it is one of the biggest, if not the biggest weeks in the match betting calendar. If you're into match betting, then you want to be getting ready for Cheltenham because it is a huge week and it is a week when people make a lot of profits. Some match bettors actually take the week off work in order to make the most of it because there are just so many offers flying around that you can take advantage of. So I'm here on the official Cheltenham website, and as you can see, the days that it's going to be running from and two are Tuesday the 12th to Friday the 15th of March. And what you'll see is in the lead up to those days, and actually on each of those days, you're going to be seeing multiple offers from many different bookmakers, as well as spontaneous price boosts and things like that throughout the day. So if you want a really great boost to your profits, then it's something that you want to be ready for and something that you want to be keeping an eye on because it really is a great week for making money. So in this video, I'm going to show you what I think is the best way to prepare. Checking out the Profit Squirrel Facebook group from last year, you can see that there is some chat going on from people talking about Cheltenham. You know, Daniel saying up 300 quid so far. He's heard some people made £700. A lot of people making good money from it. 350, 300. This guy Jason, £631. Tracy, 423. People making different numbers there, but all up in the hundreds of pounds from last year. And this is really in just 4 days. So it's a really nice return that people are seeing as this event is going on. So if you're keen to get involved with Cheltenham, in this video, what I'm going to be doing is showing you what I think you need to do to prepare and to be in the best possible position to make the most of this event. So I think a really good place to start is in the Profit Squirrel forum here in the Cheltenham 2019 discussion thread. In this thread, everybody is going to be posting in different insights and thoughts on Cheltenham. And what you'll probably see is as it kicks off, as it gets underway, that in this thread, people will be posting different offers that they find or have come across. And also it acts like a little bit of a support thread as well. Of course, you do have all the other channels open for support as a Profit Squirrel member. You have the phone line and the emails and so on. But this thread is an additional resource for you as well. So what I would do, I'll put a link to this below. Make sure you're signed in order to access this. And you also will need to be a premium Profit Squirrel member. I would really recommend getting a premium account over the Cheltenham Festival at least, because you're going to get access to so much more when you have that. You get access to the forum, all of the extra offers that are going up in the daily offers section, and also the faster odds matcher and things like that. That will just make it that bit easier to profit from this event. And if you're keen in doing that, then go ahead, hit the upgrade button in your account, and you can use the code CHEL10, I'm going to drop that below, to get money off your membership when you join. So, how do you prepare for Cheltenham? What are the steps that you need to take to make sure that you are the one making hundreds of pounds in profit? Well, this member, Soft Orange, he's posted a really useful introduction to Cheltenham here. And he's actually mentioned 3 guides here that we would recommend you complete beforehand. As you probably know, Cheltenham is all about horse racing, and these 3 guides here will introduce you to horse racing style offers. And also what they'll do is they'll introduce you to using the tools like the extra place calculator and show you how to complete extra place style offers and refund if style offers as well. The type of offers that you'll be seeing during Cheltenham are mostly going to be really simple types of offers, the ones that you're used to. There'll be bet X, get Y sorts of offers, and you'll also see a decent amount of refund if offers. So if your horse comes second or third or some sort of place, then you're going to be getting a refund. You'll also be seeing price boost as well. So I think those are probably the main offers that you'll be seeing, as well as the extra place offers as well. Cool. So what would I say is the Cheltenham checklist? What do you need to go through? Well, the first thing I'd say is make sure you have Betfair and SmartKits open. If you don't have those accounts already, check out the links in the comments below. I will link to those. Go ahead and sign up, get your account all sorted with them, because you're going to be doing a lot of stuff in the betting exchange. My second tip would be to make sure that you've signed up to these main bookmakers. Pretty much all bookmakers are going to be having offers, but make sure you sign up to these ones in particular and complete their welcome offer, because these are the ones that really do Cheltenham well. So I've got them up here. I would say make sure you sign up to Bet365, Sky Bet, Betfred, Tote Sport, Unibet, the Betfair Sportsbook, and when you're backing in the Betfair Sportsbook, there's going to be lots of offers there. Don't lay those bets off with the Betfair exchange. Lay those off with SmartKits. You don't want them to know that you're match betting when you're doing that. Coral, Ladbrokes, BetVictor, and of course Paddy Power. Sign up to all of these, complete the welcome offers, and you'll be in a great position to be receiving offers for Cheltenham and in a great position to make the most of them. Once you've done that, I'd say go ahead, jump into the Profit Squirrel forum and make sure you watch this thread here. Go and click on the bottom in the right hand corner, click watching, and what will happen then is you'll get notified of anything that's new in this thread. And this is really going to be your guide for the event, because things update so quickly during Cheltenham that actually we don't have time to put together really detailed guides with Profit Squirrel. What we're really doing is we're focusing on putting any guides into the daily offers section, but for any sort of latest price boosts and things like that, this is the thread that you want to be in to make sure you capture all of those, because sometimes they can only be around for maybe half an hour or something like that, and the community and our support team, they'll get them to you much faster in this thread. So make sure you're a premium member and go ahead and follow that. If you're still a free member, then that's not a problem. I would recommend that you upgrade for this event, but don't worry about it if you're not. You can still go and join the free members group, Profit Squirrel members, on Facebook. I'll drop a link to that as well below. And when you do that, you'll be able to post any questions about Cheltenham and people will get back to you there. One thing that is really useful for Cheltenham is having a decent bank. You want that to be as high as possible so that you can complete as many offers as possible at the same time, and that you can spread that around different bookmakers and make sure you can cover any sort of liability in the exchange. As you may have seen, if you've done horse racing offers already, you will commonly see odds of 4.0 and above, sometimes up to 9, 10, 12, 15 on horses, and those sorts of odds, they attract large liabilities at the betting exchange. So you want to make sure that your bank is in a good condition in order to handle that. I actually made a video really recently on building up your bank, how you want to be doing that, and there'll be a link to that in the orange section at the end of this video. And I'll also drop a link below in the comments. So if you're interested in the best ways to build up your bank to get ready for Cheltenham, you've got at least a month in order to do that. Make sure you check out that video. And also a final tip from me regarding the Cheltenham Festival is to start getting your accounts in good condition for horse racing offers. So what I would say is, if you haven't signed up to those bookmakers I mentioned earlier, do that and complete the welcome offers and start placing a few mug bets on horse racing events in the lead up to Cheltenham. And this way you come across as a punter who is interested in horse racing, who already has a history of betting on horses before the actual event, before Cheltenham itself. That's a good thing to do, and I would say it's a top tip in order to make sure that you're given the best horse racing offers and also that your accounts are in the best possible condition. Cool, so that's it. I would say those are the steps that you want to follow, and if you do that, you'll be in a fantastic position when Cheltenham rolls around. You'll be there ready to make the most of it. Maybe consider taking some days off as other members do, because as of course you probably know, most of the racing takes place during work hours, during the day. Those of you that have experienced Cheltenham before will know just how fantastic and profitable it can be as a match better. And if there's any of you out there that are watching this, let me know in the comments below how you got on last year. How have you got on in previous years with Cheltenham? Maybe you have some tips for other people as to how they can make the most of it. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching as always. If you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, hit that like button. And of course, if you want the latest in match betting information and how to make money online, hit that subscribe button as well and follow Profit Squirrel on YouTube. Good luck in your preparations for Cheltenham, and I'll see you all again very soon in another Profit Squirrel video. Bye for now.